Are you taking a video?
So this is Maggie playing with her dinner. Show us your lobster. And that's the pot in which we're about to cook our lobster.
Look at him go! Poor little lobster! And he's still alive! Look, he's dancing! Poor little lobster!
I wonder if lobsters have a
What
brain.
will he do?
I like the body.
Poor little lobster!
But you can have more than the body.
Yeah,
Look at him fly!
Alright, that's enough. So put it down again and see if Barkley barks.
Let's
Put
see
him down.
if he barks.
Not on his back, put him on his belly.
Woo! Are you still taking? Yes, you
Bark
are.
at it now again.
Poor little lobster.
He's trying to eat it now.
All covered in slime. That's the end of the video,
He
Mama.
don't think he should quite touch it. He just...
Poor little lobster.
But don't let him try and eat it. Alright, that's it.